Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young girl named Ella. She was bright and kind, but lived in a tiny, run-down house with her cruel stepmother and two stepsisters.
Imagine being able to make up to $2,500 monthly. Well, that is the case of this particular Faceless YouTube channel. And if you look through their videos, you can see that they simply post short animation videos. Now, in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can leverage this particular Faceless channel idea and create short animation videos leveraging the power of AI. Now, what you want to do, first of all, is you want to head over to this particular AI tool that will help you bulk generate AI short videos. I will be leaving a link in the description so you can go there and check that out. You want to start creating for free. That way, you'll be able to sign up and log in. Once you are logged in, you will be brought into your dashboard. And in the next part of this video, I will be showing you how you can create an AI story video that can generate thousands of views and in return, thousands of dollars in revenue. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to AI story video. And when you go to AI story video, you want to choose your background style. Now, when it comes to this particular AI tool, you only need 4 steps in order to create a video. You need to choose the background, which consists of the animation character. You also want to fix in the script, put in your subtitle and your audio, and that is all. Now, what you want to do first of all is you want to choose the background style. Now, when you look at this particular AI story channel, you can see that they use the Pixar style animation, and that is what we want to do also. And we can go back here and choose this, as this is more closely related. So we want to click on it and click next. Now, when it comes to this particular AI tool, it will give you a ton of templates that you can pick from so that your video will be created in line with that. You can also use the custom prompt, and for this video, we will be utilizing the custom prompt. And what you would simply do is describe your video concept to AI. So I can write a Disney story about a young poor girl maltreated by her stepmother, but chosen by the prince for love. And now we're going to go here to fix the language. You want to choose a language that applies to you. So English is what I would leave it as. You want to put the video starting if you have any. You want to put the video ending. You can put something like subscribe for more if you want to. Then we're going to choose the script length as 60 to 90 seconds. I'm just going to leave all this empty and I'm just going to put the script length here. And we want to generate script. So now this particular AI tool has automatically given us a script. You can see in a small town live the kind-hearted girl. And you can see this is actually very cute. And what we want to do is you can simply read through it. If you want to make any edit, you can make the edit. And if you do not want to, if it's fine by you, you want to click next. Next thing you want to do is you want to choose a subtitle that resonates best with your video. And I'm just going to leave it at the first one and we are going to click next. Next thing you want to do is you want to choose your audio, which resonates with your video. And for the purpose of this, we're going to choose the gender as female. You want to choose the age as young, and we can easily scroll down to see which of them resonates with us. Now, you can easily preview each of the voice template by clicking this play icon here, where you can hear how the voice will sound like in your video. And we'll just scroll down, and I'm just going to choose Nicole because it's perfect for something like bedtime stories, whisper voice. And you can decide to add background music if you want to by toggling this here. You can increase the music volume to as high or as low as you want. And you can also preview each of the background music to see which of them resonates with you and select the one that you prefer. However, I do not want background music, so I'm going to toggle it off and we're going to go ahead and generate our video. Now, once you click on generate, this particular AI tool will go ahead to generate your video and you can simply go back home. And of course, your video will be generated in less than a few minutes. Now, once your video is generated, you simply want to head over to My Projects. And that way, you will be able to see your video, which you can either directly post to your YouTube channel, or as well, you can also choose to download it to your computer system just to have it uploaded yourself. This is actually easy. You can see how simple and easy it was for us to generate a single video just in a few clicks of a button. And now I'm going to be showing you the video that was generated.
Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a young girl named Ella. She was bright and kind, but lived in a tiny, run-down house with her cruel stepmother and two stepsisters. Ella worked tirelessly, cleaning and cooking, while her stepmother turned a blind eye to her dreams. One day, an invitation arrived from the castle. It announced a grand ball where the prince would choose a bride. Ella's heart raced with hope. She dreamed of attending, but her stepmother laughed and declared her unworthy. Determined, Ella found a hidden gown and some old shoes. That night, she snuck into the garden, believing magic might help her. Suddenly, a shimmering light appeared. It was her fairy godmother. With a wave of her wand, Ella transformed into a vision of beauty, ready for the ball. The fairy warned her that the magic would only last until midnight.
Now you can see how cute it is. It's giving the Cinderella style story because I told it a Disney story. Now, this particular AI tool is super perfect for growing a short faceless YouTube channel and even automating it, as you do not have to do the work. The AI tool will simply create the script for you and will generate the video for you automatically. Now, this particular AI tool also has a lot of features, and with this AI tool, you are able to create up to 180 faceless videos once you are subscribed to the pricing plan. So they have the basic, the pro, and the enterprise, and the higher the plan, the higher the features that are included, and which I think is pretty fair, as most AI tools usually have a paid version, and given the little amount of work we have to do and the amount of features that is accessible with this AI tool, then I think this is a great tool that you want to be leveraging on. Comment the word faceless if you have watched up to this point. I would like to know that these kind of videos are resonating with you, and it will help me to be able to create more faceless YouTube channel videos to help you grow your faceless YouTube channel. If you also have any questions, do want to leave it in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to join the family. By the way, I've done a detailed step-by-step video on several other kinds of faceless YouTube channels that you can start immediately, whether you want to leverage AI or not. You want to click the video you see right now on the screen and go check that out. Ciao.